Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to discuss Stobbe condensation. In this reaction, an aldehyde or ketone condenses with dialkyl succinate or its derivative in the presence of alkoxide base followed by acidic workup to produce substituted 3-alkoxycarbonyl but-3-enoic acid. Overall, in this reaction, if dialkyl succinate is the substrate, there is condensation with aldehyde or ketone at one of the two methylene carbons, and the ester group attached to other methylene carbon gets hydrolyzed to carboxylic acid. Mechanism of Stobbe condensation. Dialkyl succinate has acidic alpha proton and alkoxide ion is a base. Alpha proton abstraction by alkoxide ion produces enolate, which acts as a nucleophile. Aldehyde or ketone acts as an electrophile. So the enolate adds to the electrophilic carbonyl carbon of aldehyde or ketone to produce tetrahedral intermediate. The oxide ion then adds to the carbonyl carbon of ester to produce this cyclic intermediate, which eliminates alkoxide ion like this to produce alkoxide ion and butyrolactone derivative. Alkoxide ion then abstracts the proton alpha to ester group like this to produce alcohol and carboxylate salt of substituted 3-alkoxycarbonyl but-3-enoic acid, which under acidic workup takes proton to produce substituted 3-alkoxycarbonyl but-3-enoic acid. Examples of Stobbe condensation. Reaction of benzophenone with diethyl succinate in the presence of potassium tert butoxide followed by acidic workup gives 3-ethoxycarbonyl 4,4-diphenyl but-3-enoic acid. Here we can see that there is condensation at this methylene group and the ester group attached to other methylene group gets hydrolyzed to carboxylic acid. Similarly, reaction of cyclohexanone with diethyl succinate in the presence of potassium tert butoxide followed by acidic workup gives 3-cyclohexylidene 4-ethoxy 4-oxobutanoic acid. Let's have an interesting example in which the trimethoxybenzaldehyde reacts with diethyl succinate in the presence of potassium tert butoxide in tert butanol followed by reaction with acetic anhydride in the presence of sodium acetate to produce naphthalene derivative. Let's see how this compound was formed. First of all, trimethoxybenzaldehyde and diethyl succinate undergo Stobbe condensation to produce this Stobbe condensation product. The carboxylic group of this condensed product reacts with acetic anhydride in the presence of sodium acetate to produce this mixed anhydride, which then undergo cyclization like this to produce this naphthol derivative. Acetylation of the phenolic group of this naphthol derivative gives final product. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.